Mike from bookup.com. Today I'm going to show you a way to copy your ebooks back and forth directly from your Windows machine and your Macintosh to your iPhone or iPad without using the cloud. On the Windows side, you're going to have to use an app called iTunes. Just load that app, and it comes from the Microsoft Store, and it is free. Once you have it up and running and you've attached your iPad to it or your iPhone, you'll get this little icon down here for whatever's there. This is my Michael's iPad Pro, so I'm going to use that as an example. When I click there, I'm going to go down to where it says File Sharing. Then I need to pick the app, and you know which one I'm going to pick. It's going to be Openings. The folder of interest is Chess Openings Wizard 2016. That's where all of your ebooks are stored on an iPhone or an iPad. So it doesn't allow me to click that. If I click it, it just allows me to rename it. Don't do that. That would be bad. But if I keep double clicking on it, nothing happens. So what this forces me to do is use the Save button. And I have to save it on my hard drive, add files to it there, and then copy it back to my iPhone or iPad. So let's do that. I'll click on Save. It asks me where do I want it. I'm going to put it in my Documents folder. So I'll select that folder. And now you can see it's moving a copy of the 2016 folder into my Documents folder on my Windows machine. Let's have a look at that. So on here, I'm browsing my Windows machine. I go to Documents, and now I have Chess Openings Wizard, where my normal Chess Openings Wizard files are stored. I have this Chess Openings Wizard 2016 folder. So I'll double click in there. Sure enough, all the ebooks that I have on my iPad are listed there. So let's go back to Documents and go into our regular Chess Openings Wizard file. Go to ebooks and find a file we want to copy. Let's say I just purchased the King and Pawn Endgame book, which I think is fabulous, but now I want to be able to play with it on my iPad. So I right click on that and select Copy. Go back to Documents folder, go into the Chess Openings Wizard 2016 folder. Remember, this is the copy we made from our iPad. Here I'll right click and paste. Now we've added a new file to this folder. What do we need to do to get it back onto the iPad? Let's come back over to here. Let's do one more thing, just in case this is a problem. Right-click on Chess Openings Wizard 2016 and click on Properties and make sure that Read-Only is not checked. Sometimes if that's checked, it'll actually copy a read-only version of the folder back to your iPad. Don't let that happen. So I click there, click Apply, and that's fine. We're done. Click OK. So now we have Chess Openings Wizard 2016 with an added ebook in it. I'm going to come back to iTunes. At this point, I'm going to highlight that guy right there. And I'm going to come over here to my, make sure this is highlighted because that's where it's going to go. Come back to my, browser, my File Explorer in Windows. Click on 2016 folder, take that folder and drag it onto iTunes where the other folder is highlighted. Over here in iTunes it says an older folder named Chess Openings 2016 already exists. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it with the one that has the added ebook. I click on that and it'll resync. And when this is all done, on my iPad, I now have my extra King and Pawn book. So that's how to copy files from Windows using iTunes directly to my iPhone or iPad without having to use the cloud like Google Drive or Dropbox. The exact same approach works with the Finder, not iTunes because that's gone in Macintosh anymore. The Finder has the exact same option. Go through these exact same steps and you'll be able to copy books directly from your Macintosh to your iPhone or iPad without having to use the cloud.